Hey Scrappers, it's Vanessa here, and today I am playing with my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of June, and I adore how this layout came together. I love the end result. It definitely is just the colors and everything just make me smile. I am using primarily yellows and blues, which is one of my favorite color combinations, and so all of these pattern papers, like I said, are from my How to Kill a Kit with Style for the month of June. And so I just went through my kit. I have two of the papers are Hip Kit exclusives, and then the other one is Paige Evans, and I'm just cutting them into strips. I do not do any mixed media on this layout. I definitely this month was short on time, even though I guess I just didn't have any mojo, I guess you could say, this month. I definitely everything was a challenge to create this month, and so I really wanted to do something in my scrapbook room and put a layout together, but I really did not want to pull out mixed media and get messy, which I do often on my pages, at least even put splatters, but this one I don't even think I even pull out splatters on this one. I really just wanted to create and play with pattern paper. And so that is basically what I'm going to do. That blue pattern paper, that sort of has a mixed media feel to it anyway, so that I'm going with as my bit of sort of nod to mixed media. Now all of these strips, I'm going to take my distress tool and I'm going to use that and distress the edges of all of those patterns. I did one on camera, but the rest I do off camera. And here is at first how I think I'm going to lay out this page. It comes together really, really fast, actually, and my original design was to put the strips all together. However, what I end up doing once I have gone ahead and distressed all the edges, I ran them through my sewing machine and did a zigzag stitch. Words today, guys, words. And then I decided to go with sort of a top and bottom kind of design for this. So I have 2 strips at the top and then 3 strips at the bottom. All of those pattern papers that I showed at the beginning that were just sort of offcuts and random scraps that were all in the colors of blue and yellow, I went ahead and layered all of those up in behind my photo, which is just a photo of actually pansies at the botanical garden. And so I am going to layer those all up and put those behind my photo. I did all of that off camera, so you didn't have to watch all of that fussy cutting or all the random cutting of the bits and pieces. Once I have that down, now I am taking from my How to Kill a Kit with Style all of my yellow and blue embellishments, or a good portion of them, and I'm just going to build some embellishment clusters. I am going to have my visual triangle of sort of layered embellishments, one here at the left of the photo and then one at the top right of the photo, and then my third one is going to be up at the top left of the page, and that's also where my title is going to go. So here I am building out my third cluster, and the florals that I am using in this page are from the Hip Kit, and I adore them. They are stunning. Like I said, this whole page, the colors and everything just really make me smile, and they just feel happy and very bright and colorful, and I really adore this entire page. So here you see me building out these embellishment clusters, and here's when you should actually go and glue things down, because you just saw I moved everything on the page, and that is so annoying. So I did go off camera and glued everything down, and now I'm going to finish out the page with the sort of little extra finishing touches, bits and pieces, finishing off my title. I did pull in some of this blue striped washi tape, which I forget to use my washi all the time. I have a ton of it and I like it, but I constantly forget to use it. So I actually pulled out, now mind you, I am using barely any of my washi, but I did pull out and get 3 strips on this page. So hats off to me. I did use it. I really need to get better at using it. So that I will have to challenge myself to get better to pull out my washi tape. Here I am just going to finish working on my title, and I don't know what I was thinking. For some reason I was trying to put down another E when actually I was trying to spell the word hello. And so I'm not quite sure where my brain was when I was building this title, but my title for this one is just going to simply be Hello Spring. And I really love, like I said, I love the colors of this. My finishing touches, I am just going to pull in 1 or 2 of these little word strips. I think I put one in this cluster here to the top right, and then I think I have another one that'll go in the bottom left cluster, kind of to mirror the fact that I have words obviously with my title, but I kind of forget. It's been a while since I created this, and I'm trying to get all my voiceovers done to get my videos up, so I do apologize. I kind of have forgotten what I did for this layout. My finishing touch though for this layout is going to be some Spiegelmom Scrap sequins, and I'm just pulling out from this basically the ones that are sort of blue, and then the other ones that have sort of a tinge of yellow kind of iridescent to them. With that, however, that's going to finish up this layout, and here are the still photos. So guys, I will catch you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.